Hey, I'm out here at the wood processor, Hillbilly Wood Processor. What the heck is this thing? It's 30 foot of Uline conveyor with a 20-foot catwalk, a hinge for my MS 441, and a winch on top to pull the logs. I'm using slabs today, so I'm not going to use the winch. I'll just roll them by hand. Got a couple hookaroons out here. This is the one I made. If you haven't, hey, Dell, in the backyard with Dell, he just made some pickaroons last week. Really, really neat. Thought it was pretty neat. And then we got the log rake pickaroon. I like them both. I keep one at this end, one down at that end. 16-inch boards. So let's switch the chain before we forget. I did say boards, but we're actually 16-inch pieces. Slabs, it's not always the fastest to do them on here because my wife's not out with me today. But when she's out, this is really a fast way to do it. It works great. So we'll push it through, rolls down the conveyor, and I just keep dragging them through. I have the tractor out here to push them forward as I need it. So we'll give you some different views out here. I'm cutting this wood for cabins and maple syrup for the spring and just to have firewood. Oh, roadside stands too. So this is 16-inch. I got a roadside stand that this isn't going to be for it this year, but it will be for next year. So I'll split them about 3 by 3 probably, if we can go that small. So let's get this started. Let's get this thing warmed up. We have the supersplit HD. Make sure I don't crack my arm on that, right? Hey, Spider-Man, I saw you were digging what? What were you digging for Mimi?
You said mashed potatoes.
Potatoes?
Yeah.
Mashed potatoes?
He was digging up mashed potatoes.
He was digging up you dug up mashed potatoes for Mimi?
Yeah.
Potatoes to make mashed potatoes.
All right. We got this stacked up high, the wood processor. I missed it. It's been a long time since I've been on that thing. What'd you think?
Oh, it felt good.
Yep.
I need a little arm workout while I was out here.
It was also nice. You don't have to bend over there, and it's just easier to handle everything. Probably a little slower by myself than the bucking table, but with two people, it's not slower. Everything worked well. Let's see if we can get this giant load. I'm going to say we got a half a cord in this trailer. 4x8. Here's about 2 feet. And then it's all, it's as tall as Jill
I
and
think you're 41 inches, so.
Wow. All right, let's get this over to the wood pile, and we'll have Spider-Man help us unload it.
Yeah, hey, if anything falls out, are you going to pick it up? Yeah. All righty, let's go.